Valerian Root. Health benefits, daily uses, and how to grow. Welcome to a journey with one of herbalism's most cherished and reliable plants, Valerian Root. If you've ever longed for deep, peaceful sleep or searched for a natural way to restore calm in the midst of a hectic day, Valerian Root stands out as a time-honored ally. Its roots reach back centuries, offering relief from restless nights and frazzled nerves, but there's more to this herb than its classic use as a gentle sleep aid. Today, you'll discover the science behind Valerian Root's calming effects, its versatile role in daily wellness routines, and get hands-on tips for growing your own flourishing Valerian Root plant at home. Whether you're drawn to traditional remedies or enjoy cultivating healing herbs in the garden, Valerian Root is a botanical treasure ready to support your health and well-being. Health benefits. Valerian Root is one of nature's best-known herbs for promoting calm and restful sleep, and its benefits extend well beyond the bedroom. Most people are drawn to Valerian Root because of its gentle sedative qualities. It has a quieting effect on the mind and can help you fall asleep faster while supporting deeper, more restorative rest. Research suggests Valerian Root works by increasing levels of GABA, a calming neurotransmitter in the brain, which accounts for its ability to soften anxiety, take the edge off daily stress, and even soothe mild tension headaches. People who deal with nervousness before big events or struggle with interrupted sleep often find Valerian Root tea or tincture provides natural, non-habit-forming relief. Along with sleep and relaxation, some women use Valerian Root for menstrual discomfort or to manage hot flashes, as its muscle relaxant properties extend to easing cramps. Daily uses. When it comes to daily use, Valerian Root gives you options. The herb is available as dried root for making teas or infusions, liquid tinctures, capsules, and even extracts designed for convenience. For tea, the classic approach is to steep a teaspoon of dried root for about 10 minutes, though many blend it with lemon balm or passion flower to mellow the earthy, strong flavor. Tinctures make it easy to personalize the amount. Just start with a few drops in water an hour before bed, adjusting as needed. Most herbalists recommend starting low and noting your body's response, since Valerian Root's effects can be subtle or surprisingly potent depending on the person. While generally regarded as safe, Valerian Root can amplify the effects of sedatives and alcohol, so it's best used thoughtfully and not recommended for use during pregnancy or when operating heavy machinery. How to grow. Growing Valerian Root at home brings the full herbal experience to your own garden. Valerian Root is a hardy perennial that loves a sunny spot, but can tolerate some partial shade and adapts well to most well-drained soils. You can start Valerian Root from seed, which needs to be sown in early spring after the danger of frost has passed, though many gardeners find it easier to plant young root divisions. The plant grows tall, often reaching 4 to 5 feet, with lovely feathered leaves and dense clusters of fragrant white or pale pink flowers in early summer. These flowers are not only beautiful but attract pollinators, adding life and movement to your herbal bed. Valerian Root's signature roots are typically harvested in the plant's second year, once they're mature and rich in beneficial compounds. To harvest, carefully lift the plant in fall, wash the roots thoroughly, and dry them in a well-ventilated, shaded area before storing in airtight containers. This way, you can enjoy homegrown Valerian Root for teas, tinctures, or calming blends all year long. Valerian Root truly bridges ancient tradition and modern wellness, offering gentle support for sleep, relaxation, and emotional balance, while being an easy, rewarding herb for gardeners of all skill levels. Choosing to cultivate, Prepare and use valerian root means you're reconnecting with a time-tested remedy that has soothed minds and bodies for centuries. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with anyone who loves natural wellness, and don't forget to subscribe for more herbal tips and garden inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.